Hello everyone, my name is Motoshi Modok. I'm from Sikharthy Infotech Pvt Limited. Now I'm going to show you how to create a HTML form. Here I am using VS Code editor to write this code. First of all, I have created one folder that is named as HTML project, and within this folder I am creating a file named it as index.html. So I am using boilerplate code. Okay, so to create a form, we will need a pair of form tags. The opening form tag has some attributes we need to fill in. First is an action attribute. So after submitting our form, to what location do you want to send our form to? Form submission is done with the backend languages such as PHP. You might see a file name such as index.php. So here I am not actually going to a form submission, but just be aware that the action attribute sends data to this location. So you will also see a method attribute. So method attribute specify that if this is a GET request or POST request. Actually, POST request is used for confidential information such as the username and password, and GET request is for insensitive data. So if we want to send some sensitive data, we should use POST request. So now let's create some element within our form. Let's say first I will create a text box. For this we need a self-closing input tag. Now if we check, it will look like this. So by default this is a text box. So we can also specify this with the type. Let's say type equal to text, and this can be type equal to password, email, phone number, and so many, and I will cover them soon. So now if we just run this, you will see this. So users see this text box, but they don't know what they should enter. So let's add a label to this text box just preceding my input tag. So what do we want to our name our label? Let's say add a username. This is our label. So now if I run this, the output will be look like this. Okay. So if somebody is using a screen reader, if they are visually impaired, we should add a for attribute. We should a for attribute. Let's say this. Okay. So what is this for? Well, this is a for my username. And another benefit of adding the for attribute to a label, when you click on the label, our cursor will move to the text box. But we need a matching ID attribute within the input tag. So ID is going to be the same as for attribute, that is username. Now if I run this, and when I will click on the label, our cursor is automatically moved to the text box. Now let's another field. Before that, just do this. This for break. Okay, just copy this and change it as email, and for name change as email. ID should be same, that is email, and text my email. Okay, now if I run this, you will see the output look like this. Okay, there are some also some attribute. Let's say placeholder. So what this placeholder, actually this letting the user know the format in which they show a type. Let's say type is abc@gmail.com, means in this format they should enter, say abc@gmail.com. Now another is required. So but before that, let's add some button to submit our form, and the button type should be submit and name is at submit. Okay, our form will look like this. Now we can also make our field required. Actually, if somebody left any field blank and hit submit button, then we have to show a little prompt that please fill out this field like this. So just write required, it's done. Required. Okay, so now if I check, if I say something here and hit the submit button, see, please fill out this field, means this is a required attribute. And if I write something and hit submit button, here I have also written please include an @ in the email address, because this is the email format. Okay, now let's another field, let's say password. ID is pass and for is pass, type should be password, and let's say remove the placeholder. Okay, just check this, yeah, password, and if I type something, it will be in this format so that no one can understand. Okay, actually this form doesn't look so pretty right now, but you can style with CSS. Okay, so well, that's how to create a form using HTML. So that's all for today, my friends. Thank you.